CBSE Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
Free bus for LKG to 8th standard.
Free, hygienic and nutritious food.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Hi students, today I will start another important chapter from organic chemistry. Chapter name is the carbonyl compounds. Already in my previous classes I finished haloalkanes or haloarenes, alcohol, phenol and ether. In this chapter is very important in NEET level as well as the board level. Carbonyl compounds such as aldehydes, ketones and carboxylic acid. So in this chapter also same concept, preparations method, chemical properties and physical properties, these are all important, and moreover especially in this chapter some important named reactions also present here. So every student seriously focused on this particular chapter, then chapter name is the carbonyl compounds. Another new chapter from organic chemistry in 12th standard CBSE, carbonyl compound. It is a very important chapter. In carbonyl compound we will discuss three important functional groups. Number 1 aldehydes, number 2 ketones and number 3 carboxylic acid. So now in this introduction point of view, see here what is the carbonyl compound. See here, the organic compounds containing carbon and oxygen double bonded. Carbon, oxygen double bonded. Generally this combination is commonly known as carbonyl combination. So the organic compound containing carbon oxygen double bond, C double bond O, as the functional groups are either aldehyde, ketone, carboxylic acid, and their derivatives, these are collectively called carbonyl compounds. Okay ma? See here, carbonyl compounds is nothing but the combination of the carbon oxygen double bonded. These are the carbonyl compound. This combination is present in the either aldehydes or ketones and carboxylic acid. That's why these three functional groups are commonly known as carbonyl compound. Okay ma? Carbonyl compound means C double bond O, combination is called carbonyl compound. You will see easily in aldehyde, C double bond O is there, ketone C double bond O is there, even carboxylic acid is also C double bond O, combination is there. That's why these three functional groups is collectively called as carbonyl compound. First of all, see here, in aldehyde point of view, in today's session we will discuss aldehyde and ketone. Later in another class we will discuss the carboxylic acid. First of all, major one, aldehyde and ketone. See here, in aldehyde point of view, the carbonyl group means this one, C double bond O. See carefully, the carbonyl group is linked to either two hydrogen atoms or one hydrogen atom. Important point nana, especially in aldehyde, the carbonyl groups is linked to either two hydrogen atoms or one hydrogen atom and one carbon containing group such as alkyl groups or aryl group or aralkali group. So listen very carefully. In case of aldehyde, carbonyl group connected to either two hydrogens or one hydrogen, one alkyl group and carbon containing group. For example, see here in this example, for example, formaldehyde. So this is the carbonyl compound C double bond O. In this carbonyl compound, left top one hydrogen, down one hydrogen. So this is the formaldehyde. This common name is the formaldehyde. And another combination, this is the aldehyde. C double bond O. Instead of hydrogen, alkyl group is there. So alkyl group and hydrogen combination. See here benzaldehyde. So benzaldehyde, benzyl group and hydrogen group. So this is the phenyl acetaldehyde. So my dear students, in case of aldehyde, C double bond O group, it nothing but carbonyl group. C connected with either two hydrogen or one hydrogen or one alkyl group or one aryl group or one aralkalic group. So very important point. In case of aldehyde groups, in aldehyde functional group, C double bond O group contain either two hydrogen or one alkyl group and one aryl group, one aralkalic group. Okay ma? This is the aldehyde in case of aldehyde point of view. Next, in case of ketone point of view, see here, the carbonyl group is linked to carbon containing groups which may be same or different alkyl or aryl or aralkyl. So see once again, the carbonyl group is linked to two carbon containing groups which may be same or different alkyl or aryl or aralkyl groups. If the two RR group, listen very carefully, if here already is said two carbon containing groups. If the two R and R dash groups are same, in C double bond O, listen Nana, in ketone point of view, carbonyl compound, in the carbonyl compound, C contain same number of the alkyl group or different number of the alkyl group. So if two R and R dash groups are same, the ketone is commonly called simple ketone or symmetrical ketone. Important Nana? Symmetrical ketone or simple ketones is nothing but the carbonyl compound containing the same alkyl group or same aryl group or same aralkali group. That kind of the ketones are commonly known as simple ketones or symmetrical ketones. It's clear ma? Now see here, and maybe R and R dash groups are different, that ketones are known as mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketones. Very important point my dear students. If the carbonyl, in case of the ketone functional group, the carbonyl compound contain same number of the alkyl group, that is commonly known as a simple or symmetrical ketone. If that C double bond O group, it's nothing but carbonyl compound contain different type of the alkyl group or aryl group, that is commonly known as mixed ketones or unsymmetrical ketone. See here, this is a general representations of the ketone. This is a R, C double bond O, R. Now here see Nana, the R groups are similar. R groups are similar, same groups. So that's why this compound name is dimethyl ketone. This functional group is ketone, dimethyl ketone, but is a simple ketone. This is a simple ketone. How you will confirm the simple ketone? Because of here R groups are same. Dimethyl ketone is a simple. Now see here different. This is a methyl group, this is a ethyl group. So that's why this compound name is ethyl methyl ketone. Why is first word is ethyl? According to IUPAC rules and regulation, first of all enter into the first letter is the alphabetical order. Based on the alphabetical order, ethyl methyl ketone. This is a mixed. Why? Because mixed C double bond O group contain two different alkyl group. This is a methyl group, this is the ethyl group. That's why this ketone name is the mixed ketone. And one more example, see here, methyl phenyl ketone. This is the methyl group and phenyl group. Methyl phenyl ketone is also mixed ketones. Okay ma? So if C double bond O group, in case of the ketone, C double bond O group contains same number of alkyl group or same number of aryl group, that is belongings to category of the simple ketone or symmetrical ketone. If C double bond O group contain different type of the alkyl group or aryl group, that is called unsymmetrical ketone or mixed ketone. Okay ma? So these are the major differentiations between aldehyde and ketone. In case of aldehyde, my dear students, C double bond O group contain either 2 hydrogen, 1 alkyl group, 1 hydrogen, 1 aryl group, 1 hydrogen. Okay ma? So but in ketone point of view, both of them, C double bond O contains both alkyl group and different alkyl group and different aryl groups. These are the introduction part of the aldehyde and ketones. Now we are going to discuss most important part in this chapter, nomenclature of aldehyde and ketone. In my previous classes already discussed very clearly haloalkanes, haloarenes nomenclature and alcohol, phenol, ether nomenclature. Now my dear students, listen very carefully. Every functional group in organic chemistry, not only alcohol, phenol, ether, aldehyde, ketone or amines also, nomenclatures are very important. Now we are going to discuss, start with aldehydes. So how to decided naming of aldehyde in common system as well as the IUPAC system. Now in case of aldehyde, common system, listen very carefully. In common system, point of view, common names of aldehydes are derivated from the name of corresponding carboxylic acid to which they are oxidized. Suffix ic acid of the acid is replacing by the aldehyde. Listen ma, in case of the nomenclature of aldehyde in common system, instead carboxylic acid. So from carboxylic acid, ic suffix word, ic suffix word is removed. Instead of ic suffix word, it's added the aldehyde. See here, for example, for in aldehyde, and listen very carefully, aldehyde nomenclature in common system, from the carboxylic acid, ic word is removed by attachment of aldehyde group, See here, formic acid, instead of, this is a formic acid, from the formic acid, ic acid word is removed, attached by the aldehyde. So that's why this is the formic acid. Now formic acid and formaldehyde. Why? Because instead of ic acid, if the aldehyde group are present here, aldehyde word is coming. Okay nana? Now see here, this compound name is C double bond O. These are the, listen very carefully, these are the carbonyl compound. One side hydrogen group, one more side alcohol group is there. So this compound name is the formic acid. So this formic acid, ic acid is removed, attached by the aldehyde group. You know that aldehyde combination, CHO group is the aldehyde combination. CHO group is compulsory. Listen in this example, CHO group is present in any compound, that is called aldehyde. So now here, this compound name is formic acid. This aldehyde group attaches to H. This is a formaldehyde group. Okay ma? So in common system, aldehyde, formic acid, carboxylic acid, ic group is removed. Instead of the ic group, aldehyde group is attached. Okay ma? Now one more example, acetic acid. See here, CH3COOH, acetic acid, because of this is also carboxylic acid. Now here what happens, CH3 as usual, and instead of OH, double bond H is coming. This is acetaldehyde. CHO group attaches this one, acetaldehyde. So acetic acid, acetaldehyde. And another important key point, my dear students, the position of substituent, listen very carefully, important point, the position of the substituent on the parent chain is indicated by Greek letter alpha, beta, gamma, delta, etc. It means any one of the substituent directly attaches to the aldehyde group to indicate Greek letters. That letter name is the alpha, beta, gamma and delta. Alpha, beta, gamma and delta. See here, the alpha carbon is one which is the directly attaches to the aldehyde group. So, if the aldehyde group attaches to the first carbon, the carbon name is the alpha carbon. Maybe, see here in this example, CHO, C double bond O, it is an aldehyde group. This aldehyde group connected with CH group, this CH group attaches to the substituent. So, substituents present in this carbon. So, that's why this carbon name is a alpha carbon. Whenever substituent directly connected with the parent chain, that carbon is nothing but alpha carbon. Okay ma? So, this compound name is the generally alpha chloropropanoaldehyde. Alpha because of the substituent group attaches to the alpha carbon, that's why alpha chloropropanoaldehyde. So why it's called propanaldehyde? How many number of carbon atoms are present here? 3 number. 1, 2, 3. Propan aldehyde group attached. Propanaldehyde, and the substituent is located in the alpha carbon. That's why this compound name is the alpha chloropropanoaldehyde. Now one more example, see here, aldehyde group, and this is the alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon, because the substituent attaches to the beta carbon. So here what happened? Beta methyl, in the beta methyl butyraldehyde, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means butyraldehyde. So very important point, my dear student, the position of the substituents on the parent chain is indicated the Greek letter such as alpha, beta, gamma and delta, etc. These are the nomenclature of the aldehyde in the common system. Nomenclature of aldehyde in the common system. Okay students, one more nomenclature. IUPAC system, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry. In this system, IUPAC system, what is the naming of aldehyde? See carefully here. In IUPAC system, aldehydes are named after the corresponding alkanes. Suffix E of the alkane is replaced by the suffix of al. See here, in IUPAC nomenclature system, aldehyde naming ma, see, from alkane group, E is replaced, E is removed, attached by the Al. You know that rules and regulations of IUPAC nomenclature. If the functional group start with vowel sound, you know, aldehyde suffix name is the al. In case of alcohol, suffix name is the OL. So aldehyde suffix name is the al according to IUPAC rules and regulation. Listen very carefully. If functional group suffix name start with English vowel sound, from the alkane group, E should be dropped. E should be dropped. So now in IUPAC nomenclature of aldehyde, from the alkane group, E should be dropped. Instead of the E, Al, because of aldehyde suffix name is the al. So now this compound name is the alkanal. Alkanal. Listen very carefully. In IUPAC nomenclature system for aldehyde, naming is the alkanal. How will come this alkanal? From the alkane group, E is removed. Instead of the E, al group is attached. Ultimately, alkanal group is coming. So this is the most important. See once again, my dear student, in IUPAC system, aldehydes are named after the corresponding alkane. Suffix E of the alkane is replaced by the suffix of al. Therefore, aldehydes are called alkanals. In case of higher aldehydes, the longest carbon chain is chosen and it is numbered in such a way that the aldehyde group is given number 1. Okay ma? If number of the carbon atoms are present in the aldehyde, definitely is indicated the numerical numbers. Now see here, one tabular form is there, formulas, common names and IUPAC nomenclature. Formulas, common names, IUPAC nomenclature. So see first of all, HCHO, common name formaldehyde, IUPAC name methanol, because of CHO group directly attaches to the methane combination. See here not there, methane. So that's called methanol. Only one carbon is there, methanol. Now second example, see here, CH3CHO, acetaldehyde. This common name is acetaldehyde. IUPAC name is ethanol. Third one, CH3CH2CHO, propanaldehyde. IUPAC name is propanol. And fourth one, see here, CH3CH2CH2CHO. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 number of carbon atoms are 4. So butyraldehyde. This is a butyraldehyde and butanol. Butanol. Whole means alcohol. All means aldehyde. Don't confusion. And fifth example, see here, CH3CH3CHO. Isobutyraldehyde, because of 1, 2, 3, 4. Butyraldehyde. The methyl group location is the iso position. This compound name is the isobutyraldehyde. And IUPAC name 2-methyl, 1, 2, 3. The numbering starting from the functional group. You know that rules and regulations of IUPAC. The numbering starting from functional group, aldehyde functional group, 1, 2, 3. So in the second carbon, substituent name is a methyl. So 2-methyl propanol, 1, 2, 3 propanol. This is the longest chain. This is the substituent. So IUPAC name of this given compound, 2-methyl propanol. And see here, CH3CH2CH3CHO. See my dear student, CHO already I said in case of nomenclature, in case of common system, the position of the substituent on the parent chain is indicated by the Greek letters. Already I discussed this point. So now here in the common name alpha methyl, because this is aldehyde group. This is the first carbon. In this second carbon, this carbon attaches to the substituent. So this is alpha. This pink color is the alpha. So this compound name in the common system, alpha methyl butyraldehyde. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alpha methyl butyraldehyde. If maybe the substituent is located in this carbon, that name is the beta methyl butyraldehyde. Okay, ma? Here important point is the position of the substituents on the parent chain is always indicated by the alpha, beta, gamma, delta Greek letters. Okay, na? Now see here one more example, CH3CHBr-CHO. So this compound name is C. Aldehyde group directly attaches to the first carbon. See my dear student, this carbon again contains one more substituent, and the next carbon, neighboring carbon also contain one more substituent. Here in this example, two different type of the substituents are present here. Number one is the bromine, number two is a methyl group along with the aldehyde. So in common system point of view, the naming of the given compound is alpha bromo. Why alpha bromo? Because this aldehyde group first attaches to the first carbon. This is alpha carbon, this is the beta carbon. Okay ma? Appo alpha bromo, this is the alpha bromo. In the beta position, what substituents are there? Methyl group substituents are there. So this compound name is alpha bromo beta methyl butyraldehyde. My dear student, instead of this bromo, now I will put chlorine. So what is this compound name? Alpha chloro beta methyl butyraldehyde. Alpha chloro beta methyl butyraldehyde, but instead of the bromine. But now here bromine is there. The compound name is the alpha bromo beta methyl butyraldehyde. And IUPAC nomenclature point of view, you know that very well, the numbering starting from the functional group side. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. Now in the second position, bromine group is there. So that's why 2 bromo 3 methyl butanol. 1, 2, 3, 4 butanol. Easy ma. So easily to learn a common naming and IUPAC naming. So this compound name is in IUPAC 2 bromo 3 methyl butanol. And one more example, see here. This compound name is alpha ethyl. Where is the ethyl group? This is the aldehyde group. Listen carefully. This is the aldehyde group. This aldehyde group contains CH. This CH group attaches to the substituent. This is the substituent. So parent chain moving from CHO group to right side. CHO group to right side. That's why this is alpha carbon. This one is alpha carbon, alpha ethyl. Apparama idida annadi beta carbon. Beta carbon contains the methyl group. So don't confusion, my dear students. This is the word root the parent chain moving from CHO group to right side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbon atoms are present in the parent chain. So this one now alpha, this is alpha carbon, this is a beta carbon. See, this compound name is the alpha carbon containing ethyl group, alpha ethyl. Now this is one more beta carbon containing methyl group, beta methyl valeraldehyde. This entire the combination is called valeraldehyde. Okay ma? Valeraldehyde means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 combination is commonly valeraldehyde. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So see, alpha ethyl, beta methyl valeraldehyde. And in IUPAC nomenclature, 2 ethyl. So second carbon, this is the first carbon, this is the second carbon. Second carbon containing ethyl group, 2 ethyl, 3 methyl pentanol. Why called pentanol? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the word root, nana. Don't confusion. This is the L shape, is the word root. So 2 ethyl, 3 methyl pentanol. Now one more example, CH3, CH2, 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 CHO. This is a normal because of already in my previous classes I clearly explained, if any one of the functional group in position of 1 degree, that is N position, this is common name is a N valeraldehyde. When N valeraldehyde, important ma. And another name is the IUPAC system, pentanol. This is entire 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There is no any substituent. So that's why this is a pentanol. And one more example, see here, CH2 double bond, CH, CHO. This is the actual name is a acrolein. Common name is acrolein. CH2 double bond, CH, CHO. And another name is another important name is acraldehyde or acrolein. But in IUPAC, prop 2 in 1 all. See prop, where it started here, prop 2 in 1, 2. Here double bond is there, here functional group is there, but the numbering starting from the functional group side, prop 2 in 1, 2, 3, prop 2 in 1 all, prop 2 in 1 all. Where is located all? First carbon located all. So prop 2 in 1 all. And one more example, my dear students, CH3, CH double bond, CH, CHO. This compound name is the crotonaldehyde. And IUPAC name is a but 2 in 1 all. Okay ma? These are all the IUPAC nomenclature and common names. My dear students, you observe this all example, all are the aliphatic category. There is no any aromatic. It means CHO group directly attaches to the aliphatic chain. That's why these are the aliphatic aldehyde. Now we are going to start another aldehyde group. If aldehyde group attaches to the benzene ring, that is called aromatic aldehyde. Aldehyde group is attaches to directly to the benzene ring. That compound name is that compound names are aromatic aldehyde. So now in this area, aldehyde group directly attaches to the benzene ring. If see here, CHO is directly attaches to the benzene ring, that name is the benzaldehyde. Here aldehyde group directly attaches to the benzene. This is called benzaldehyde. In case of substituents are attaches to ortho position or meta position or para position in the benzene ring with respect to CHO group, then such aldehyde are named as the derivatives of the benzaldehyde. Both the same if aldehyde directly attaches to the benzene ring, benzaldehyde, and substituent also, some other substituents are directly attaches to the benzene ring with position of ortho and meta and para. So that derivatives, that aldehyde derivatives are commonly known as the benzaldehyde. See here, aldehyde group directly attaches to the benzene ring. This common name is the benzaldehyde, or another name is synonym, important one, benzaldehyde. CHO group directly attaches to the benzene ring, benzaldehyde. Another name is a benzene carbaldehyde. Another name, benzene carbaldehyde. And see here in this example, this is a phenol combination. Actually, OH group, this is a phenol combination. In this phenol combination, CHO group, aldehyde group is there. That's why this compound name is 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, because of aldehyde hydroxyl group. So this is the first priority, CHO group is the first priority, hydroxyl group is the second priority. So that's why, my dear student, this compound name is the 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, or another name is the ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde, because ortho position, 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde or ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde, and common name is salsaldehyde, SALDEHYDE, salsaldehyde, this is the salsaldehyde, or 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde, or another name is the ortho-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Now see one more example. This is nitro group connected to benzene ring, and also aldehyde group connected to benzene ring. So this compound name is 3-nitrobenzaldehyde, because 1, 2, 3, third position nitro group is there, 3-nitrobenzaldehyde, or another name is a meta-nitrobenzaldehyde. This is a meta position, ortho meta para position. If here NO2 is there, here NO2 is there, that compound name is the 4-nitrobenzaldehyde and para-nitrobenzaldehyde. Clear ma? One more example, see here. Methyl group attaches to benzene ring and also aldehyde group. So now this compound name is 4-methyl-benzaldehyde or para-methyl benzaldehyde, or another name is a para-toleraldehyde, toluene group, the toleraldehyde. So three names are there, but I written here only one, 4-methyl-benzaldehyde, and another name is a para-methyl-benzaldehyde, p-toleraldehyde. These are the example. And see here one more example. Benzene ring contain aldehyde along with the methyl group. So this compound name is 2-phenylethanol. 2-phenylethanol. One more name is the alpha-phenylacetaldehyde. Alpha-phenylacetaldehyde. Now another one is final example, 2-phenylpropanol, or another name is the alpha-phenylpropanaldehyde. These are the aromatic aldehyde compound naming. Okay ma? Now I successfully completed in this session nomenclature of aldehyde in common system as well as the IUPAC system. In my next class I will continue the ketone common system as well as the IUPAC system. Okay ma? Good.